In this video, you'll be learning how to upload video on Telegram without compression. Do you want to learn how to upload high quality videos on Telegram without losing the quality of the video? This is the guide for you. Before we head straight into the video, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel and also turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any of our recent uploads. And most importantly, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. With this being said, let's hop straight into it. Now, you want to head straight for your Telegram app, and please ensure your Telegram app is up to date. If you want to update your Telegram app, if you are using an Android device, just go to the Play Store and update it, or check if it's out of date and update it. And if you're using an iOS device, so you just need to go to your Apple Store and update your Telegram app. Now that we're sure that your app is updated, then you want to head straight into the Telegram app. Okay, in the Telegram app, I'm going to use just one of my channels to do this guide, to do this tutorial, and I'm going to use this channel. Then I want to send a movie to this channel. Okay, so you have to locate the paperclip icon in the right hand corner, in the right hand bottom corner, which is here. You click on it, then it takes you to your gallery, and from there you can pick. All right, from there you can pick any of the files. Now you can see next to my live camera image, or next to my live camera video, there's a file with over 1 hour 21 minutes 41 seconds. That is the file I want to send. It's quite large, so you're not just going to click on it. What you're going to do is you're going to do a long hold. These three buttons in the right hand corner here, you're going to tap on it, and you have to share it as a file. Now this is what I'm trying. Let me show you what I'm trying to say here. If you are sending it directly like this is what it will come like. All right, this is what will happen, and this will reduce your quality. So you don't want it to be this way. You don't want the quality reduced, so you need to cancel this, and this is how you should do it. Then click on the three dots, then send as file. Please note that you must send as file. So that when you send as file, you see that the interface now is different. This way it will upload successfully without reducing or compressing. No quality reduction and no compression. Thank you very much. Let me know what you think in the comment section about this video. I look forward to see you other ones. Bye for now.